So we have a lot of things to update you on. We packed up our car with almost everything we own, and we moved to Miami Beach, Florida. And we decided we are just going to buy a smaller, less expensive sailboat. Well, I loved this boat a whole lot, and yeah. So that's my thing. I really, really liked it a lot. It's 20,000 more than yesterday's boat, but yesterday's boat needed 20,000 to get to where this boat is how I see it. So we have decided to, at least for now, quit looking at boats and put in an offer on the Island Packet 35 that we saw in the Tampa Bay area, the one that I loved.
We just wanted to update you guys and let you know that we're gonna try to move forward with buying a boat.
I'm Carly, and this is Brady. In early 2020, we sold our house and most of our possessions and took our first big leap into living our vagabond dreams. We recently hiked 800 miles of the Appalachian Trail, and now we are purchasing a sailboat to start sailing around the world, all while capturing a creative journal of the journey. We hope to inspire you to live your own dreams. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Okay, a couple things we forgot to mention. So real-time Carly here, hopping in to let you know. What you're about to watch is our Seatrial haul out and survey. It is the footage that we filmed during that. Also, we'll make sure and put the information for the surveyor that we used because we were really happy with him and would highly suggest him in the future if you happen to be going down this road as well. So I hope you enjoy.
Dolphins like the boat. Good time.
Oh, there's 3 of them. Bye. Thanks for stopping by.
Right under.
Now, these cockpit scupper hoses,
Yeah.
you make darn sure you replace these because these boats have a tendency when you're going high speed out there that the rear end squats.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. That is all we happened to film, which I know really wasn't a lot. We didn't talk about what was going on during the filming, but there you have it. It won't be anytime soon, but we are planning to put all of this information as a blog post on our website so you can reference if you happen to be going down this road and are unsure of things, because that is us. So we just want to share everything possible that we can for you to help. We are going to leave you hanging and just give you this little tiny short video for now, and stay tuned for next video to see what happened, see how it all went down. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!